thank the organizers for this invitation and commend your energy, vision, and dedication to the value that sustain our beloved country. 30 years ago, Uganda stood at the crossroads, emerging from years of instability, division, insecurity. The path to peace was not easy, since it demanded courage, sacrifice, and collective will. Today, we gather not only to run, but to honor the journey of peace, to celebrate the progress we have made, and to recommit ourselves to safeguarding this peace for the generation to come. Peace is not simply the absence of war, but also the presence of justice, opportunity, education, health, and freedom. It is when a young person can dream boldly and pursue that dream without fear. It is when communities live in harmony, when businesses thrive, when girls and boys go to school without worry, when leaders serve with integrity and vision, industries, services, ICT. In conclusion, I thank the young people for this mass mobilization. I urge you to keep healthy, live responsibly, so that you make meaningful contribution to your families and societies. I urge you to avoid reckless and dangerous lifestyle that can expose you to many diseases and cut your lives short. I thank you. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda. I will hand over this speech to the organizer, and the President has contributed 10 million shillings, which has already been delivered to the organizer.